Hi, welcome to Ray's Toolbox. Someone was talking the other day about 3D barn quilts, so we thought we'd give it a try. This is what we came up with. Let me show you how we made that. We started by cutting plaster lath down to 2-inch long strips on a 45-degree angle. Next we stained 16 pieces red and 16 pieces green. While the stain was setting up, I took some 1/4-inch plywood and cut those down to the same size as the sides of my diamonds. I painted those white. I cut a piece of 3/8" plywood down to 17 inches square. At the center, I alternated colors of the red and green. After I got those 8 pieces glued down in the center, it was time to fasten the square pieces all the way around the edge. To bring the 3D effect on out, it was time to alternate the colors all the way around the square pieces. Just wanted to make sure that I had the points the same as they come out from the center, and the rest of it fell into place. On the outside corners, I finished that off with 2 big square pieces. Some of the square pieces I cut diagonally and used those on the sides to finish my boxes off. I held the pieces down tight while the glue set up with a couple of concrete blocks. All around the outside border, I used plain pieces of the plaster lath. I kept the design going that was started in the middle, and I think it carried out pretty nice all the way out to the edge. I took a piece of 1x and ripped it down to about 3/4 inches, a little bit thinner, to make the border on this. After everything was fastened together, it was time for a coat of golden oak stain. I didn't think much about the colors when I started this one. It was red and green other colors. That kind of looked like Christmas after we got it put together. So I did make one with red and blue with white. So red, white, and blue. This one should be good all year. If you look at it, you can see the 3D effect, the boxes coming out at you or hanging down from the top. I hope you enjoyed seeing how this was made. Maybe you have an idea for something you can do project at home. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, please, and ring that bell. That way you'll know the next time that we have another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.